This is the chip attach tool. That's the first step in Intel's Foveros advanced packaging process. If we use a food analogy, this is the tool that brings in a pizza crust, and then whatever pizza toppings you want, we can feed into the other side of this machine, and it's going to attach them to the top of that crust.
Then it's into the oven to bake that system together.
So once it comes out of the oven, it comes to this machine where this epoxy glue fills in under and around those pizza toppings to make sure everything is pressed together. Check it out, another cool tool.
Finally, the wafers are diced into individual packages using water-cooled blades for precision.
The great part about that process is it lets us take a bunch of different chips from different designs or different technology nodes and put them all together onto one wafer.